Hello and welcome, Bodo heads. Are you ready to create a bot? Let's build one that monitors the Bitcoin inscriptions held by an Ord wallet and sends notifications to Telegram for changes. I'm here to guide you through the steps, so let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to bodo.io. Once logged in, click on Create from the top navigation menu. This will take you to the Bodo canvas. In the right sidebar, you'll see the toolbox. This is where all the magic happens. Click on Data and scroll down towards the middle to find the Monitor Inscriptions in Bitcoin Wallets block. You could also use the search bar, of course. Now let's drag that block onto the canvas and then locate the filter block in the toolbox. Drag that bad boy into the canvas too, and position the two next to each other. This should do it. Finally, drag over the Telegram block. Telegram. It should be under the purple actions category. Now for the most exciting part, connecting the blocks. To do this, just drag a line from track Bitcoin inscriptions, monitor inscriptions in Bitcoin wallet, from the output circle here to the filter. Next, connect the filter block to the Telegram one. Done. Take a moment to review your work, making sure everything is connected as it should be.
You'll notice a few orange input fields. Let's sort them out. The first one is the monitor inscription in Bitcoin wallets block, which needs a wallet address. Let's use this one for this demo. There we go. Paste here. Cool. Now the filter block needs a few things. First, a value from the previous block, which is a flag indicating whether the owner of an inscription has changed. So items changed. The operator can remain as is because we want to check equality. The criteria field should be true. Finally, the Telegram block needs a message. Let's write one. And I'll copy paste this part. The inscriptions in the wallet have changed, and then we have inscriptions from the first block. Count. Inscription count from the first block. Would be cool to give the bot a friendly name. Pretzels. Because who doesn't like pretzels? Set the interval to 1 minute. So we're getting the freshest info. Click Save Bodo from the top right corner of the screen to save your masterpiece. Now to see it in action. The address used in the block owns only this inscription. Next, to turn on the bot and see it in action. I'll transfer the inscription to one of my other Ord wallets. Okay. Send. I've prepared a transaction now to broadcast it. There we go. Get a transaction ID. Hopefully the fee is good enough to actually get it confirmed in a couple of minutes. And then we should see a message in our Telegram. It took a few minutes to get the transaction confirmed, but here it is. Let's check the owner. And yeah. yes, this looks like the address I'd send it to, TY9 at the end. All good. Congratulations. You've just created a super cool bot that will allow you to track Bitcoin inscriptions as they move in and out of any Ord wallet. Thanks for joining me on this exciting journey.